started, put on our wig. The very first thing I do is I put oil in between my braids so I can protect my hair. What I'm gonna do is start off with some 91% alcohol and a towel. And I'm going to clean the spots where I will be applying the wig as well as my hands. So that way I reduce as much oil as possible when putting this wig on. Next, I'm gonna take some skin protectant. This is by Bold Hold. I do this if I am going to be attaching any sort of lace to my skin. So do that, give it some time to dry down. So once I've got a basic idea of about where I want to put the wig on, I'll just take the hair on the frontal and swoop it back with some clips to keep it out of the way, like so. To tack my wig down today, I'm going to use my Got To Be combination with the spiking glue and the Blast and Free spray. So in between layers, I usually just like to let mine air dry. After a few minutes or so, I will go in and spray it with a layer of the free spray. Then I'm gonna give this some time to dry down. And at that point, I'll begin to tack down my wig. For the parts that are like missing glue, what I'll do is take it and spray it down with the Got To Be Free spray. Before this flies completely off my head, because that Got To Be spray kind of loosens up that hold. As you can see, I'll just take this and kind of place it where I want it. Right here. And then add my scarf on top, starting from the middle and pressing everything down like so. All right, so once we've dried down a little bit, I'm gonna take this off because I'm gonna set my part for how I'm gonna wear my hair. I think I'm gonna wear it in a side part. All right, so once I've gotten it kind of set to where I like, I'm going to add some mousse to this part of my hair and kind of comb it as flat as I can. At this point, you can add baby hair if you wanna. I would maybe swoop a little bit of hair on the temple region.